Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've been getting requests on my kayak mount for my rod holder. This is the rod holder I use. It's a Scotty product. Everybody knows Scotty. Just such a versatile product. I've bolted on cup holders, camera gear, fish finder. I got my big fish finder, my big 7-8 inch screen, and that goes on here. It's just such a versatile item. So today I'm going to show you how I bolted it onto my kayak, and like I said, it's been on there for 6-7 years, but I've had the request so much for people to see it, so I decided I'm going to make a video. So make sure, stay tuned. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get in your kayak. This kayak is really good, it's really stable, it's great for really anything. It's a beginner's kayak. I've had it for a very long time, it's in rough shape, and it still performs. So I decided that I needed my rod holder on the front. It comes with two at the back. Not very easy to get to. They are back there, but if you have a fish on, to grab that, it's quite difficult. So I wanted something in front. So the best thing to do at first, get here. I don't have my oars on me, or my kayak paddle. So what you'd want to do is get your kayak paddle, kind of do the motion. If you're in the water, that's the best, and then you can see how much room you have for when you paddle versus where you need to mount your rod holder. So I chose my mount way up here. It's a little bit far, but I have a large paddle, the distance I paddle, so I wanted to make sure it was out of the way but close enough that I can grab it. Yes, I have to kind of lean forward quite a ways, but then it's out of my paddling. I can see any position that the rod's in. I use it there. Sometimes I point the rod holder to the front if I'm just paddling, keeping that rod straight out in front, or if I'm just coasting along the lake, I can see the fly tip off to my side, and it's a great spot for me. So now that we got the position of the rod holder, I have a general idea. You guys will have a general idea, and now we will need to mark it and make some holes. Okay, you can already see these are my holes. Like I said, I've already had this mounted, but I wanted to show everybody else what I did. So to do this, you need your mount. All you have to do is take a pen or a felt, something to make the holes. If you feel like you're really good, quick way to do it is get one, pop that screw up quickly, get one on there, make your hole all the way through, and then you can put a bolt in to position it and lock that corner, and then you can do your other three. So for this, all you need is some nuts and bolts laying around that'll fit through the holes. I have these flathead ones. You will need a drill with a small drill bit, whichever way you're going to fasten it. Like I said, I got flathead. You'll need pliers for the underside and your rod holder. So once you get your holes drilled, make sure your surface is nice and clean. If you want, you can use lock washers. I never did. This isn't bouncing around. It's not on the top of my vehicle. It's inside my trailer, so I didn't put any lock washers on it. And like I said, it's held for 5-6 years. So, okay, make sure your rod holder, the inboard arrow, is faced inboard, so in towards the middle of your kayak. And my screws are pretty tight, so I just got to give them a push. There we go, everything tightened up. We got our base down and ready to go. Okay, now we're just going to put our rod holder in, point it forward because we're going to be traveling, just like that, sturdy, not going anywhere. You can change your position wherever you want your rod. It's reachable. There we go. Now it's time to go fishing. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions regarding today's video, please put them in the comments. I will try and put the items used today in the description of this video. Otherwise, I'll catch you on the next one.